Twinkle Train to Dreamland. As the sun says goodnight with a golden glow, a tiny blue train begins to slow. The stars wake up with twinkling light and sing, "All aboard, it's time for Dreamland." Choo, 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 the dream train goes. Where it stops, nobody knows. Hop aboard, hold on tight, we're off to Dreamland every night. The smiling moon wears a shiny conductor's hat and waves hello to every sleepy kitten. "Tickets, please," the moon says with a smile. Dreamland is waiting for every child tonight. Little stars dance left and right, sprinkling sparkles through the sky. Every twinkle, every giggle, makes the dream train glide a little farther into the magical night. Choo, 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 the dream train goes. Where it stops, nobody knows. Hop aboard, hold on tight, we're off to Dreamland every night. Soon, soft white clouds become a fluffy bridge. The little train rolls gently across them with a happy clickety-clack, while cool night breezes whisper through the air. One little sheep jumps over the fence, then another and another. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Each fluffy sheep waves and says, "Good night," before bouncing away beneath the sparkling stars. Choo, 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 the dream train goes. Where it stops, nobody knows. Hop aboard, hold on tight, we're off to Dreamland every night. In the forest, wise little owls sing, "Hoot, hoot, hooray." Crickets play tiny violins, frogs croak cheerful tunes, and together they create the sweetest bedtime orchestra ever heard. The train arrives in Teddy Town, where every teddy bear gives a warm cuddle to a friend. Soft blankets, cozy pajamas, and gentle smiles fill every little house. Everyone is safe, warm, and ready for wonderful dreams. Choo, 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 the dream train goes. Where it stops, nobody knows. Hop aboard, hold on tight, we're off to Dreamland every night. Suddenly, glowing butterflies appear. They flutter quietly through the moonlit sky, carrying tiny golden dreams from tree to tree. Every child receives a beautiful dream wrapped in sparkling stardust. Ahead is a giant rainbow pillow, soft, colorful, and fluffy. The little train slows down as everyone snuggles onto the magical pillow. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and let your dreams begin. Choo, 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 the dream train goes. Where it stops, nobody knows. Hop aboard, hold on tight, we're off to Dreamland every night. Before bedtime, each child makes one special wish. The wishing stars twinkle brightly and promise to watch over everyone until morning. They sparkle gently throughout the peaceful night. Slowly, the sky begins to turn blue. The dream train gently rolls back toward home as birds start singing their happy morning songs. Children stretch, smile, and keep a little piece of Dreamland in their hearts. One last time, everyone sings together. Choo, 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 the dream train goes. Where it stops, nobody knows. Hop aboard, hold on tight, we're off to Dreamland every night. The smiling moon waves goodbye,